Hello happy souls. Today's video is about replacing a fuel cock in a Splendor. And not only in Splendor, you can do the same in other bikes. Here the problem is with the reverter. So the fuel is leaking around the corners when you put the bike in on or in reserve position. To remove the old fuel cock from the bike, take a 22 mm spanner and loosen the nut in an anti-clockwise direction. Before that, make sure you have a pan or a bottle to collect the unusable fuel which are in the tank, which can't be removed even if you put the bike in reserve position, because it is designed in a way when you put petrol in a bike, the petrol may contain contaminated parts or any impurities, and sometimes water droplets or raindrops may enter the fuel tank, which are higher in density when compared to petrol, so they will settle at the bottom of the tank. If you keep the filter element of the fuel cock in the same level, it would easily enter into the carburetor and damage the engine. That's the reason why the fuel filter element of the fuel cock is kept an height away from the bottom level. And in this case, the filter element is stuck inside the fuel tank. In some cases, it will easily come with the help of a plier, remove it and install a new one. The new one costs rupees 160, and just insert and tighten it with. Make sure you're positioning it correctly. Then, after positioning, tighten it with a 22 mm spanner. Then finally check for the knobs on, off and reserve position. Then we have to connect the fuel line to the new fuel cock. First unplug the fuel line from the fuel cock. There is a clip around it, a circular clip. Loosen it and remove it and plug in into the new fuel cock. That's it.